Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Leetcode 169 majority element. Okay. So given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. Okay. So we are told that you may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Okay. So for the example, 3, 2 and 3. Here n equal to 3 as the length of the array is 3. Okay. Now what is how many times 3 is occurring? 3 is occurring 2 times and 2 is occurring 1 time. So here 3 occurs 2 times. 2 is greater than 3 by 2, which means 1. So here the output is 3. That is the case. If any element occurs more than n by 2 times, then that element will be the majority element. So to solve this question, we are going to use a dictionary. Okay. Now, dictionary or in C++ or Java, you may use map. Okay. Now, here you can see that 3 has occurred 2 times, or in Python, you may write like this, that 3 has occurred 2 times and 2 has occurred 1 times. This is the dictionary formed, and here 2 has occurred 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times and 1 has occurred 3 times. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements, n equal to 7. 7 by 2 equal to 3. Here 2 has occurred 4 times. 4 is greater than 3. Therefore 2 is our answer. Okay, so we are going to use a dictionary. So for the code part, we are going to create a dictionary d equal to dict. Okay, so we created the dictionary. Now we are going to traverse each item and fill up the dictionary. For I in nums, d of I equal to d dot get I comma 0 plus 1. Okay, so for in this step, dictionary is formed. Now you will traverse each element in the dictionary and see if its value is greater than length of the array by 2. Okay, so for key comma value in d dot items, we may write that if value equal to sorry if value greater than length of nums by 2, we may return the key of this element. Okay, and for if nothing is found, we may return -1. So if I run this problem, two test cases are accepted. Now if we submit, yes, the code is accepted. So in simple terms, first we are creating a dictionary, okay, from the given by traversing through the array, and after creating, we traverse through each element of the dictionary. Okay, so if the value is greater than length by 2, we return the key of the element. So this is the concept. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.